Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming model compatibility and getting power ready. You insert batteries and remove any plastic tabs, then power the Samsung TV on. Once done, make sure the remote is within 3 to 6 feet and you have a clear line of sight. You prepare the remote for programming by locating the TV or Smart button, plus the Setup or Code Search button. This is the moment you begin the communication sequence between the remote and the TV. You now program the remote either by entering a code or using auto search. If you have a code list, press the TV button, then enter the provided digits. The TV should respond. If not, use the auto search method. Press and hold Setup, then press the TV or power button to cycle codes while watching the screen. Once the TV responds, immediately press the OK or Enter key to lock the code. Make sure to test volume and input buttons. You finish by saving the programmed code and verifying all essential functions: power, volume, input switching, and menu navigation. Once done, make sure to test commands from normal usage positions to confirm reliability. If something goes wrong, retry the auto search routine or try alternate code lists. Often stepping through codes again resolves mismatched commands. If responses remain inconsistent, reset the remote and replace batteries before attempting
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.